Hi guys, okay, so I haven't done a video for a little while, and that's because my last few ones the sound's been a little bit dodgy, and I don't know why, so I think I worked it out now, so hopefully the sound on this one will be perfecto. Okay, so looking back at last week's trades, and we're looking primarily at the Euro US. I tend to trade the Euro US or the Pound US during London Open. I like to trade the London Breakout strategy. And London Breakout strategy is fairly simple strategy. So we're looking at the Asian session, which is between midnight and 8 o'clock UK time. And then when the price breaks out, either side of it, you either go long or short. It's as simple as that. And yeah, it sounds to be too good to be true, but it does work. But I've added some modifications to it. So on the chart here, I've got a 5-minute chart, so each candlesticks are 5 minutes, and it's on the Euro US. This greyed out box here is the Asian session, midnight to 8 o'clock in the morning. And then we've got two moving averages. I've got the yellow, or the light yellow, which is 21, and the brown, which is the moving average 6 EMA. And at the bottom here, I've got the MACD. So basically when the 6 moving average EMA goes across the 21, that would be a buy. When it goes below, it goes for a sell. And the same with the MACD. Sometimes they don't necessarily go the same way. The MACD can be a little bit late getting into it and getting out. But normally when this is across, you buy. Green bar saying it's a buy. When it comes down across there, it's a sell. So here, for example, on the Monday, that was a winning trade. But what I did was, instead of waiting for it to come out the box, I could see that once we'd broken this 6 across the 21, I actually went in. I think it was about 23, and I went all the way. I was just trying to get 10 pips, so I set it for 10 pips. This is on my IG account. Set it for 10 pips, £10 a pip. 10 pips. I was actually, let me have a look, it was £8 a pip. And just looking for the 10 pips, which it hit its peak there before it started coming back down later on. So that was Monday. And then Tuesday, if we have a look at Tuesday, so because there was already £80 in the bank, I literally cut down on my pip size. Now, when I'm setting these trades, I don't set a stop. I would advise normally to set a stop, but it can go down as far as 15 pips and come back up again. So here it's £5 a pip. And yet again, I went in at, let me just check here, it's 10,308. So approximately here, so I didn't wait for it to come out straight out the box, and yet again I went up to 318, which was about here, which is 10 pips. Now as you can see, it's corresponding with the MACD, and if I'd kept it going, I could have a trailing stop. See the moving average is still above. I would have got far more actually. I'd been brave. It's only just literally crossed down here at 308, and that's what, 343. So looking at approximately 40 pips there, £5 a pip, that would be £200. So that was because I was being really cautious, but hey, it's all about getting winning trades. And come into where are we now, Wednesday. This is where I made the mistake. Little box here within the big box, the Asian session, that is where it's sort of ranging. And then what I did was, I should have got in here back earlier here at 7 o'clock. Got in a little bit late once moving average had already crossed. And as you can see here, the wicks on the 5 minutes, it didn't go anywhere, and it came straight back down again. I would have got some pips, but I was waiting for 10. So I lost a few pips in there, only about 7 pips on that one. And that again was £5 a pip, so it wasn't too bad. The Euro US on the Thursday, greyed out box again here. And we're looking at the sell here. Where are we? Sorry, no, buy. And I went slightly early here. I think I went approximately here. And I was a little bit late getting in, and you can see, oh no, sorry, no, actually I didn't go there. What happened was, my mistake was I should have got in about here. That was at 7:50, but I was waiting for the open, and I would have got my 242. It came down 10.08, so about 30 pips. And what happened was I waited for it to cross back over, and then it didn't go anywhere, and you can see it nosedived. So I just literally cut my losses to about break even. And then finally, 14th on the Friday, as you can see here, we've got the grayed out box. It's the Asian session. And what happened there was, this time I actually waited for it. Could have got in there maybe at 7. Got a few more pips because the moving average is above, the MACD is above. But I still managed to just about squeeze in. I look here, I went in at 10473.6 and we went up to 83, so just about reached the top there. So that was what another, I did that lucky number 7 pips. So that would be another £70. So that's approximately 100, I think it was 169 for the week on various pound per pips, starting off at 8, worrying about my losses, but that's 4 out of the 5 trades were winners, even though one was practically more or less break even. So that's not a bad return. As I say, I do love the London Breakout strategy. It doesn't always work, but if you keep an eye on it, cut your losses short, and obviously you could get even more returns if you have a trading stop. So not a bad week. So looking forward to next week and trading more London Breakout strategy. And if you want to see more of my London Breakout strategies, pop along to Running Trader, and I'll see you there.